Akanksha Bhargava, the CEO and President of PM Relocation, is now offering one of the best services for relocation. PMR is the first relocation firm in India to offer complete shifting package under one roof. Akanksha played a major role in expanding her family business to 13 cities. Making it different from the league, the young lady did not restrict her skills to just shifting household goods.
You could be in any part of the country, in any part of the world, and we could look after you moving to any part of the world. We can help you with your entire household goods moving. We help people with finding a home, settling in to the new place, doing your entire immigration, moving your most expensive artwork, and making you feel at home in the new location.
Having spent 8 years in the industry, Akanksha has seen the company evolve. Her increasing involvement in corporate sales, marketing, operations and other verticals of the company have made PMR a preferred brand for relocations. Serving the unorganized sector, PMR currently employs over 400 workers and has turnover of approximately 35 crore rupees. Witnessing a steep rise in the floating population in India and overseas, Akanksha expects a huge growth in the relocation industry.
It could be a recession or growth. People will still move. People may be out of jobs and they need to move. People may get promoted and they need to move. It has been a real curve in the country with spread of the Indian economy, and with the smart city model coming up, a lot of people from senior people in these top cities are moving to rural cities to set up offices. So we see a lot of tier 3, tier 2 movements for companies like Airtel, IDC, Britannia, where their limit is not only about the main cities, their reach is to the smaller cities as well. So overall, all of this put together sees a huge growth in the industry.
Beating the stereotype of the community, Akanksha applied her best skills in the relocation sector. Now she is inspiring other youth to join this artistic business of relocating. Correspondent Sakshi Parashar from New Delhi for ANI.